Many people experience the ongoing frustration of feeling broke, regardless of how hard they work or how much they earn. This struggle is widespread, affecting individuals from various backgrounds and income levels. Persistent financial challenges often stem from factors such as rising living costs, unexpected expenses, and limited access to financial education. These issues can make it difficult to build savings or achieve financial stability. Understanding the root causes of this common struggle is the first step toward finding practical solutions.
Our mindset and beliefs about money play a crucial role in shaping our financial experiences. Negative or limiting beliefs, such as thinking money is inherently scarce or believing that wealth is unattainable, can unconsciously influence our decisions and behaviors. These patterns may lead to self-sabotage, missed opportunities, or reluctance to take positive financial actions. Over time, such beliefs can keep individuals trapped in a cycle of financial hardship, regardless of their actual circumstances. Recognizing and challenging these mindsets is often the first step toward breaking free and achieving greater financial stability.
Many people struggle with finances due to unnoticed spending habits and lifestyle choices. Small, frequent purchases like daily coffee runs or impulsive online shopping can add up over time, quietly draining your budget. Subscriptions you rarely use and dining out more than necessary are other common culprits. By recognizing these patterns, you can start to make more mindful decisions and regain control over your financial health. Awareness is the first step toward making positive changes that support your long-term goals. Debt can have a significant impact on your financial well-being, especially when it comes with high interest rates. Each month, a large portion of your income may go toward paying interest rather than reducing the actual amount you owe. This cycle can make it difficult to save or invest, keeping you in a constant state of financial stress. Ignoring debt doesn't make it disappear. In fact, it often leads to growing balances and even higher payments over time. Addressing debt early is crucial to breaking free from this pattern and achieving greater financial stability.
Many individuals struggle with persistent money problems, often without realizing that the absence of budgeting and financial planning is a fundamental cause. Without a clear plan, it's easy to lose track of expenses and overspend, leading to financial stress. Establishing a budget helps prioritize needs, set realistic goals, and monitor progress over time. Financial planning provides a roadmap for managing income, saving for emergencies, and preparing for future expenses. By addressing these gaps, people can gain greater control over their finances and reduce the likelihood of ongoing difficulties.
Increasing your income is a crucial step toward achieving financial stability and long-term security. Relying solely on one source of earnings can leave you vulnerable to unexpected changes, such as job loss or shifts in the economy. By diversifying your income streams, you create a safety net that can help you weather financial setbacks. Multiple sources of income not only provide greater financial flexibility, but also open up opportunities for growth and investment. Taking proactive steps to boost your earnings can make a significant difference in your overall financial well-being. Breaking the cycle of poor financial habits begins with small, practical steps. Start by building better routines, such as setting aside time each week to review your spending. Tracking expenses allows you to see where your money goes and identify areas for improvement. Establishing clear financial goals gives you direction and motivation, whether it's saving for an emergency fund or planning for a major purchase. By consistently applying these strategies, you can gradually create a healthier financial future. Improving your finances quickly often starts with identifying and cutting unnecessary expenses. Review your monthly subscriptions, dining habits, and impulse purchases to see where you can make immediate cuts. Another effective strategy is to negotiate your bills, such as your internet, phone, or insurance payments. Many providers are willing to offer discounts or better rates if you simply ask. By taking these steps, you can free up extra cash and gain better control over your budget in a short amount of time.
Creating a simple, actionable budget begins with listing your income and all monthly expenses. Start by categorizing your spending, such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Allocate specific amounts to each category, making sure your expenses don't exceed your income. Track your spending regularly to stay on course and adjust as needed. By following this straightforward approach, you can gain immediate control over your finances and make informed decisions about your money. Building an emergency fund is a fundamental step toward achieving long-term financial stability. By setting aside money specifically for unexpected expenses, you create a safety net that can help you navigate situations like job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent repairs without resorting to debt. Experts recommend starting with a small, manageable goal, such as saving enough to cover 1 month's expenses and gradually increasing it to 3 to 6 months' worth. Consistency is key, so consider automating your savings to make the process easier. Having an emergency fund not only provides peace of mind, but also empowers you to make better financial decisions during challenging times. Taking the first step toward financial change can feel daunting, but it is within reach for everyone. No matter your starting point, progress begins with a single decision to move forward. Remember, small actions today can lead to significant improvements over time. Embrace the possibility that your financial situation can transform and trust that consistent effort will make a difference. The journey to better finances starts now, and you have the power to shape your future.